Well, hey family, happy Sunday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I actually just got home, so of course I got service, had service all day today. Well, not all day today, morning service, and then I went and did some things, had lunch, hung out with some friends. And then after I had hung out with friends, I went back to service at 5 o'clock. So came out of service at 5, and then I just came home. I was tired. My people wanted to go to. There's a little situation that's going on, a nice little elegant event that they wanted to go to, and I'm like, I'm tired. I'm just going home. I don't want to go. And then plus, it's Monday tomorrow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? So we got this whole week coming up, and I got a really busy week planned and stuff. And I was just like, nah, I'm ready to go home. But anyway, my niece just dropped me off a package. Miss Jaycee sent this to me. And it looks like Jaycee ordered this morning, and it got delivered through Amazon. I'm thinking this evening because my niece just brought it to me. So maybe this evening. I'm all on here begging for some 18 gauge gold wire, right? Okay. I know that's right. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. But this is what it is. It's aluminum wire. I've never used the aluminum wire to make like necklaces. I usually use the copper. So it's copper. I think it's copper, but it has the gold finish on it, right? That's usually what I use. I've never used the aluminum to make jewelry. And in fact, I can use this, and I could use this for earrings, but I wouldn't use it for and I'm happy with this. Thank you so much. No worries. I'm going to use it. It is not going to go to waste, but it's a little thinner than and look, you could tell too, like right here. So if I do this enough, it'll probably bend, but it'll probably break, but that's okay because I could use it to wrap and make earrings. So that's okay. No biggie. It's not a loss or anything like that, but I generally use the copper and it's a gold covering on it. I forget exactly what the whole name is, but this is a lot of wire, aluminum wire. I'm going to use it. And remember I said yesterday in the other video, I got to get to making earrings for the earrings in the bottle. And I'm going to be using this wire in order to do that. So Miss Vicky sent me some beads yesterday. I got beads yesterday from her. So some of those beads I'm going to be using. The smaller beads I'm going to be using to make earrings for the bottles. And I will definitely be using probably a lot of this wire to make earrings. So this is good stuff. This is a lot. I've never used aluminum wire. I don't think it fades, right? Because I've never used aluminum wire to make like earrings or anything. I used aluminum wire for, but it's thicker. It's the 15 gauge. So with the aluminum wire, I usually get the 15 gauge. And I get the 15 gauge because it's thick like this, and I like to wrap it. I like to wrap beads with it. So I generally will buy that stack that has all them different colors in it, and 15 gauge to wrap beads with. But no worries, I'm gonna definitely use this. I appreciate it. In fact, when I start making the earrings in the bottle, I am gonna come back on camera, and you will see that I'm definitely going to be using this wire. Nothing I get is going to go to waste. Trust and believe that I'm going to figure out a way to use it. I'm going to figure out a way to make it make sense because I appreciate it. You didn't have to do what you did. And this was same day delivery. Okay. But anyway, Miss Jaycee, thank you for the wire. I am definitely going to be using this. And I think that's all. And guess what? We'll chat. And guess what? We'll talk.